Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for coming back to Face Masks at Breakfast. Today we're going to be making Greek yogurt parfaits with Greek yogurt face masks. And we have an assistant today. Right, Cheech? Right, Casey? The ingredients you'll need are granola. I have some with almond, but you can choose whatever you like. Raw honey or Manuka honey. Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, nothing with added sugars or added flavors, just plain Greek yogurt. If you don't like Greek yogurt, then get plain yogurt. Fruit of your choice. I'm going to be using this mango strawberry blend from Target. I really wanted blueberries, but we didn't have any, so just use whatever you like or whatever you have available to you in your pantry. You're going to need a nice glass to put your parfait, or you can use a mason jar or a bowl, whatever you like. And I think that's about it. Those are the ingredients for today. Okay, so I started off by adding a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Just make sure that it's plain Greek yogurt, or if you're not using Greek yogurt, make sure it's plain yogurt with no added sugars or no added flavors, because those don't belong on your face. They'll just clog your pores. There's that, and then I'll add half a tablespoon of honey. Okay, so now our face mask is on our face, and we're going to start with the Greek yogurt parfait. So I'm going to start by layering everything. Let's start by adding some fruit, some frozen strawberries, mangoes, and pineapple chunks that I cut up. For the honey, if you want, you can mix up your Greek yogurt and the honey all together, but I'm just being extra and layering it all one by one. A little bit more of the fruit. Alright, and that's our parfait. We have our face mask on, we have our breakfast, and we're all done. I have toned and moisturized as always. I'm gonna finish my breakfast. Does it have to look this nice? Absolutely not. You can throw it all in a bowl without having to layer anything to make it quicker. Thank you for watching, and please come back for more face mask at breakfast. Bye. Face mask at breakfast. Face mask at breakfast. Face mask at breakfast. Face mask at breakfast.